Sheldon United first to the finish on that.
Get out! Get out!
H-Town Hurricanes not too far off in second.
He left him.
He's following his kid around. What is he doing? Huh? Every time I looked up, everywhere I was in there. They didn't know how to
Competing for the Hurricanes in this event is a team of Eldridge, Kimball, Freeman, and Mendoza. For the wings, you have Fields, Davis, Martin, and Eubanks. For the pace setters, it's a team of Jones, Kelly, Jasmine, and Means. And for Sheldon United Sports is a team of Harrison, Young, King, and Ford. This is the first of two heats.
Sheldon United with a strong push for second. And the Houston Pacesetters. Sheldon United taking the lead. Pacesetters and H-Town Hurricane fighting for second.
Come on, Corday. See y'all.
All right. I know I'm not the only one that sees it.
Okay. Come on, Corday.
Changes in the lead happening. H-Town Hurricanes. Followed by Sheldon United and the Houston